And now I would like to introduce Ms. Arijana Ferfila. She is the new head of the Beekeeping Academy of Slovenia. Before her appointment, Ms. Ferfila was the head of the Department for International Affairs, Science and Research at the Faculty of Design, University of Primorska in Slovenia. Ms. Ferfila has a graduate diploma in Sociology and Social Informatics from the Faculty of Social Sciences, University of Ljubljana, and a research master's degree in International Development Studies from the Faculty of Social and Behavioral Sciences, University of Amsterdam. So please, Ms. Ferfila, the floor is yours.
Thank you very much. First, let's... Okay. Hopefully you see my presentation.
Yes, we see it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Good afternoon. Before I present Beekeeping Academy of Slovenia and its activities, please allow me to express my gratitude to Her Excellency Kristina Radej, Madam Ambassador of Slovenia in Iran, for all of her hard work in planning this video conference, first within the series Save the Bees. I am honestly delighted to be able to join you today. My name is Arijana Ferfila and I'm the principal of Beekeeping Academy of Slovenia. Pursuant to the Agriculture Act, the Academy was established in 2018 as an organizational unit of the Agricultural Institute of Slovenia, which is the leading research institute in the field of agriculture in Slovenia. The Beekeeping Academy was established as a response to a growing demand for rich Slovenian apicultural knowledge and expertise from abroad. As Slovenians are a beekeeping nation, there exists great awareness about the importance of bees and shared desire to maintain the highest standards of knowledge related to apiculture. Slovenian apiculture has been widely appreciated abroad thanks to its traditions and special characteristics. Beekeeping Academy of Slovenia organizes and implements informal trainings in the field of apiculture. It cooperates with educational and training institutions, legal entities, and natural persons active in the field of apiculture in the Republic of Slovenia and abroad. The mission of the Academy is to spread rich apiculture knowledge that was gathered for more than 200 years by Slovenian beekeepers. Beekeeping Academy is intended mainly for training foreign nationals, beekeeping instructors, and other interested stakeholders. Training programs are held in English and are carried out by apiculture instructors and training providers who obtained a certificate. At this point, let me present just a few of the specialized training courses that Beekeeping Academy of Slovenia offers, such as technologies in beekeeping, bee health, queen bee breeding, marketing of apicultural products. Let me start with technologies in beekeeping. This course is authored by Professor Aleš Gregorc, PhD from the Faculty of Agriculture and Life Sciences, University of Maribor. The aim of this training course is to acquire comprehensive competencies in beekeeping. Participants shall acquire skills to independently maintain and reproduce healthy bee colonies in an economically viable way, while maintaining high hygiene standards and producing safe, high-quality apicultural products. The course also covers the basics of bee diseases and prevention measures, measures for varroa under the damage threshold, the marketing of apiculture products, and marketing fundamentals. The second course that I would like to put attention to is bee health. This course is authored by veterinarians specialized in bee health at the National Veterinary Institute of the Veterinary Faculty from University of Ljubljana. The aim of this training course is to provide knowledge on bee health. Key topics include measures to prevent the outbreak and spreading of disease, symptoms and correct actions upon their detection, basic measures to introduce the healthy development of bee colonies, correct use of medication while ensuring safe apicultural products, etc. Next course that a lot of it was already mentioned by Dr. Kozmus is course in queen bee breeding. This course is also authored by Primož Kozmus, PhD from Slovenian Beekeepers Association, and by Janez Prešeren, PhD from Agricultural Institute of Slovenia. Here we offer 3 models of this course. The basic model, which is designed for those beekeepers who would like to become acquainted with the process of breeding queen bees. The aim at this level is to give participants a basic overview of breeding queen bees. Then the second stage model, which is intended for those beekeepers who are already familiar with queen breeding. After the course, participants are able to breed a sufficient number of queen bees for their own needs. And the third level model, this is intended for beekeepers interested in commercially breeding queens. The aim of this particular model is to cover theoretical and practical knowledge necessary for the breeding of a larger number of queen bees per season, as well as knowledge on queen insemination. Furthermore, also basic knowledge on bee selection will be gained. The last course that I would like to put attention to is marketing of apiculture products. This course is authored by Public Advisory Service for Beekeeping from Slovenian Beekeepers Association, and it is intended to train beekeepers in marketing. Marketing, just like any other beekeeping activity, is quite important and plays a key role in achieving economically viable beekeeping. Key topics here include market analysis, market communication, presentation of sales methods, sales communication, pricing, importance of packaging, etc. Upon the completion of each course, the participants, of course, receive a course completion certificate from Slovenian Beekeeping Academy. At the end of my presentation, and because the picture is worth 1,000 words, I would therefore like to turn your attention now to our short video that was created to present our beekeeping heritage and Beekeeping Academy of Slovenia.
I'm afraid we have some problems with this video. The video is not playing, unfortunately. But
shall you perhaps share the screen, Mr. Sweet, like we were talking before? Because at my screen I can see the video. Therefore, perhaps there is something wrong in connection.
I will share the video myself.
Okay. Okay, then let me just conclude my presentation. Here is our mail of Beekeeping Academy of Slovenia. Here is also the link to our webpage that is currently under construction, but in 1 month time we will be back, and now we can also show the video.